Tire pressure monitoring systems are a standard feature on vehicles made after 2008, due to the potential safety hazards of driving a vehicle with underinflated tires. Low pressure can cause a tire to flex more, which creates heat. Excessive heat can break down components and chemical bonds inside of a tire. Warm weather and high speeds increase the risk of failure on an underinflated tire. Besides the obvious safety concerns, low or uneven tire pressure can cause a decrease in gas efficiency, uneven tire wear, and shortened tire life. Whether your vehicle is an older model and not equipped with a tire pressure monitoring system, or your current one needs to be replaced, you can count on our certified technicians to install a new one using genuine OEM parts made to work specifically with your vehicle's year, make, and model. Our factory-trained service department can answer any questions you may have about tire pressure monitoring systems and the benefits of proper tire pressure. Don't risk driving on underinflated tires any longer. Trust us to keep you moving. Schedule an appointment today.